Hello guys, HMD announced a couple of affordable handsets, Nokia 224G and Nokia 105. These two are affordable feature phones that is being unveiled by Nokia to occupy the lower budget market, and Nokia is definitely the king of lower budget phones. Nokia 224G sticks close to the formula of the original Nokia 220 released back in 2014. It brings a web browser app for all the social media and news, along with some classic games refreshed in 16 million colors. The beloved Snake come pre-installed, while Ninja Up and Tetris are on the try and buy program. The polycarbonate handset can host two SIM cards, Nano Plus Mini. It has a camera with an LED flash on the back and brings FM radio. The battery has 1200 mAh capacity and is charged through micro USB port. HMD promises standby time up to 27 days and talk time up to 6 hours. The price is Euro 39 and comes in a mint blue or black colors. Whereas Nokia 105, you might think this phone is exactly like the Nokia 105 2017 model with a matching design and lack of any cameras whatsoever. But the big difference is the 4G module inside. It can take up to 2000 contacts and 500 mAh, and of course it arrives with a LED torchlight. You turn it on with a double click on the up button. The full specs include a dual SIM capability and an 800 mAh of removable battery, micro USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack. The Nokia 105 also comes with an FM radio provided you plug in your own headphones. Sold in blue, black and pink colors, the phone will cost only 13 euros. The Nokia 105 as the Nokia 224G are targeted to the European Union. Both of them will work only with the 4G frequencies in Europe, which is a bummer if you are from a different region. So this is all about the two newly announced phone, Nokia 105 and Nokia 224G. Hope you like the video. If you want to comment in the comment section about these two phones, please comment in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.